So, now we are doing the second experiment, which is resistivity of our wire. Now, in this experiment it is a graph based experiment. So, you have to take minimum 5 readings. So, make sure that you are taking the readings such a way that your 5 readings are completed and you are plotting the graph properly. Now, in this experiment what we are supposed to do, first of all, again the circuit is same as your first experiment, where you have to connect all the positives with the positives. In case of voltmeter it will be opposite, that is positive end of the ammeter with the negative end of the galvanometer, and negative end of the ammeter with the positive end of the voltmeter. So, now before starting your experiment you have to make sure that your circuit is off, your key is open. Now, you connect the circuit using the key. Now, as you can see that you have to change the rheostat to make sure that you are getting 5 minimum readings. Now, you have to check, do not go very far, because around the edge of the rheostat the reading fluctuates too much. So, you have to adjust your reading such a way that you are able to get 5 readings. Now, in this particular setup we are taking readings for 50 milliampere, and you are changing the current and measuring the corresponding voltage. Very important. Do not change the voltage to measure the current. You have to change the current and measure the corresponding voltage. So, 50 milliampere, then 100 milliampere, then 150 milliampere, 200 milliampere, 250 and 300. This way you can get the 5 readings required. Now, based on your laboratory equipment that you are using, the values will change. So, do not copy the value that we are showing in this particular experiment. You have to record the experiment in front of the invigilator. So, do not make that mistake. Also, one more important tip. So, when connecting the circuit you have to make sure that you are connecting the conducting part of the metallic wire with the positive and negative of the corresponding voltmeter ammeter. Also, the wire should be connected with the battery. Do not connect the insulating part. Okay, this red part as you can see is an insulating part. Do not connect this insulating part when you are constructing the circuit. So, this is a very important precaution. If you are doing something wrong, maybe you are getting a voltmeter reading in the opposite direction, ammeter reading in the opposite direction. So, make sure you are changing, and if you want to change one equipment at a time. Do not change everything, and make sure your circuit is perfect before switching on the circuit or switching on the key, right. So, all the best for these 2 experiments. If you are getting these 2 experiments, then you should be able to get full 30 out of 30.